Hello guys, so I'm going to shut this door, and what we're going to do today is take out our fire alarm and make it really accessible for the people that come in my house. This is a model Hochiki pole. Before I cut it off, I better label it to make sure I know that it's mine. It's usable. So we'll mark that. Don't worry guys, the battery is off. Never ever do this without the batteries. There we go, got the pole head off. Now if we turn the system back on, it will go into a trouble, but I'm not gonna do that because that's just much more dangerous. And now I'm gonna go ahead and grab a ladder. Sorry if I got blocked, you guys, but this is going to be my ladder right here. And I will go ahead and climb up it. All right. Guys, never ever do this without permission because, you know, I'm not the boss here, all right? Like this Hochiki panel, everything was like $500, man. Because you gotta really make sure you take care of your stuff. Don't just break it all. Have to be professional with your stuff, guys. Really. And this will be my first installing video, I think. Yep, this will be my first installing video. I'm gonna guess is this one. Let's tighten this one on. And for our Hochiki model pole station, I've got that, y'all. Come on now. Positive just came back in its place. Alright, this is gonna be harder than I thought. Go ahead and grab popcorn, you guys. I'm not messing around. Go grab popcorn. Oh, finally, there we go. Now out, for real. Oh, for real. There we go. All right, now let's act like nothing ever happened. There we go. Head up. Got the wire out. Now what we're going to do next is I do not want to lose this Hochiki pole. So, ooh, the wire just fell. Let me hop off of my ladder. I think it was because I was standing, but what I'm gonna do is there are going to be a lot of troubles when we connect it. So this is plus, this is negative. Never ever do this without permission. I've got permission to do this by one of my helpers because they helped me build up this whole thing. So I got permission if I could destroy some of it. Isn't technically destroying, but who cares? And also, guys, I just want to tell you guys the reason why I'm doing this is because I've been getting commenters that have been saying, Shiv, your pole stations aren't so accessible. They're all around the place and stuff. Like, for an example, one person said that you need to have your poles heats smokes in a proper place, like probably not in an apartment building, but, or what am I talking about? You should probably put these, I'm gonna take this one out. And then I'm gonna make it exit. I just wanna make sure it's all clean. To make sure no one complains. Alright, here, just cut this. Alright, there we go at this point. Alright, and we're gonna take this camera. Ooh, it's high. Don't want to knock you out. Okay, don't mind the background noise, but we are going to put this right under like this. So then, oh no, it's a fire alarm only. And yes, there's a orange field right on top of there. This is the whole installing part 1 session video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in the next video where I do part 2, and bye bye.